Good morning, guys. Happy Friday. It's weekend again. Before I continue what I need to do, I'll just have sunlight for a while. Even 5 minutes only. It's very hot already. You wanna see the sun? There, oh, the sun is there. So hot already. Ah, that's the sun. Very hot. Already very hot. It's only not yet 8 o'clock. The temperature is so high already. It's only early morning. Weekend again. I'm gonna gain weight this time because I cannot go walking anymore because early morning very hot the temperature. The sun is so hot already. It's hard to go walking like this temperature. The weather is very hot already. It's dangerous to heat stroke and sunburn. I'm looking for my other comb. I don't know where did I put it yesterday. I'm using it yesterday for my hair. Until I forgot where did I put. Wanna see the sun? The sun is in my back. There.